Welcome to Burge's Funhouse. You can find us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Hello Raindrops! These are the locker dolls from the Royale High toy line by Jazzwares, and we're going to be comparing the Series 1 dolls versus the Series 2. And as far as the base goes, they're all about the same, except I did find that the Series 2 doll hair fits tighter and stays on better. And of course, there are styling differences for Series 1 versus Series 2. At the end, I'll let you know which ones are my favorite from the series. The ice element. Both of these dolls have a blue color scheme for the hair. Series 1, of course, the hair is darker and has the cute snowflakes and the buns, and also has a long sleeve crop top, whereas Series 2 has the short sleeve shirt. They both have skirts, but the Series 1 only has one furry kind of ruffle, and Series 1 also has high heel type shoes, whereas Series 2 has more of the sneaker style. And then of course the purses, Series 1 has a backpack instead of a purse like Series 2, and the backpack is in a snowflake, and then Series 2 has a cute penguin purse. And as far as the makeup goes, they both have blue eyes, but Series 1 has more of an eyeshadow, whereas Series 2 has a more natural look, and they both have a kind of pink tinted lipstick. Let me know in the comments which ice doll you prefer, Series 1 or Series 2. The fire element. They both have red hair, whereas Series 2 has the darker colored hair in pigtails, and Series 1 has the brighter red with the pretty curls. And then Series 1 is wearing more of a uniform type outfit, whereas Series 2 has more of the baddie type outfit with the tank top and skirt and black boots. And Series 1 has the socks with Mary Janes. And then the accessories, of course, Series 2 has the fox purse, whereas Series 1 has the cute red backpack. And makeup-wise, they both have the purple eyes, but Series 1 has more of the pink added in there and kind of pinker lips than Series 2 that has more of a purplish tone to the lipstick. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer for the Fire Locker dolls. Do you like Series 2 or Series 1? The dark element. These dolls are very different, whereas Series 2 has more of a blue theme, Series 1 has a purple theme. So Series 2 has the blue and black hair up in pigtails, and then Series 1 has the long purple hair. And they both have a cute skirt, but Series 2 has a spider web kind of theme on her top, and then Series 1 has, of course, the tall socks along with her boots, and Series 2 does not, but also has the spikes. And then for the accessories, Series 2 has the kitty purse, and Series 1 has the spider web with the spider on the backpack. The makeup are also very different, where Series 2 has the blue eyes and blue lips, and Series 1 has the purple eyes, purple lips, and you can see some of the fangs there as well. Let me know in the comments which ones you prefer, the Series 1 or Series 2 Dark Locker doll. The light element. Series 2 has the blonde or yellow hair with the light blue puff balls and snaps in her hair, whereas Series 1 has the cute bright pink hair. And then for tops, they both have the lighter blue colored tops, but Series 1 has the long sleeves. And then they both have skirts, but Series 2 is more of a fluffy bubble type skirt with hearts on it. And Series 1 has a yellow denim looking skirt with stars. And then as far as the boots go, they both are wearing a type of boot, whereas Series 2 has the light blue with those puffs on there as well, and Series 1 has like almost like a sneaker or a boot with these stars. And then for the makeup, they both have blue eyes and pink lips. I kind of wish Series 2 also had the pink under the eye to go along with her makeup because I think it's so cute. And then of course their accessories, they both have yellow accessories. Series 2 has a cute little duck purse, and Series 1 has a backpack with clouds, rainbows, and stars. Let me know in the comments which light element doll you prefer, Series 2 or Series 1. The nature element. These dolls are very different. They both do have a pink colored hued hair, but Series 2 has the longer hair and pigtails, and Series 1 has her hair up in a bun. And then they both are wearing like a tank top style top and skirt with ruffles, but Series 2 has flowers instead of just your basic ruffles, where Series 1 has butterflies on them. And then their shoes are both kind of like a type of boots with laces and bows, but Series 1 has butterflies on the back of those boots. And then for the makeup, the Series 2 doll has pink eyes and pink lips with a little bit of green eyeshadow, and Series 1 has green eyes and purple eyeshadow and purple lips. And then the accessories, Series 2 has a cute bear purse with flowers, and Series 1 has a frog backpack. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like Series 1 or Series 2 Nature Locker doll better. The water element. These two dolls have a lot of differences as well, except for the shoes. Series 2 has blue hair in a ponytail that's long. Series 1 has black hair with a tiered ponytail. And then they both have a tank top style shirt, where Series 2 has the cold shoulder and Series 1 has like the crossbody style. They both have skirts, where Series 2 has the ruffles at the bottom and like a pearl belt, and Series 1 has more of a denim looking skirt. Again, their shoes are very similar. You can see their type of sneakers with bows and then some type of lace for the socks. And then the accessories, Series 2 has a cute fish purse in a pink color, and Series 1 has a mint green shell backpack. And then for the makeup, Series 2 has brown eyes and like a dark pink lipstick, and Series 1 has blue and purple eyes with a lighter pink lipstick. Let me know in the comments below if you like Series 1 or Series 2 of the Water Locker dolls. Next, I wanted to talk about my personal favorites. For the ice element, I think Series 2 is my favorite. I just like the hair and the style of the clothes better. And then for the fire element, I like Series 1. However, it was really close because I love the hair for Series 2. I just wasn't a huge fan of her outfit. And then for the water element, I like Series 2 better. I wish you could switch the shoes from Series 2 to Series 1. I think that blue would go better with her outfit. And then for the dark element, I like Series 1 better. I like the purple color. I feel like that's more dark than the blue color. However, her hair from series 2 would be really cute if it was purple instead of the black and blue if we switched it to the series 1. And then for the light element, this one I had a really tough time with because I really love both of the dolls, but if I had to pick one, I'd say series 2. Like I said, I would really love to see the light pink under eyeshadow on series 2 like it is on series 1, and we could probably even switch the hair and it still look just as good as well. And then for the nature element, I like series 1. I think she's just absolutely adorable. Her little bun and then the frog and butterfly theme is absolutely amazing. She is definitely my favorite. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments which ones your favorites are, and we will see you next time. Bye, Raindrops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.